Brothers and sisters, warm greetings from Sri Balaji Vidyapith, popularly referred to as SBV. I am delighted to meet you all once again through Channel 1. I thank you all for your continuous support in this endeavor. Today, I am going to speak about a service which provides the human touch in treating the needy, that is, nursing care. There is so much to say about this profession that goes unexplored and unpublicized, and yet nurses continue to be at the forefront of patient care delivery every step of the way. Nursing is a unique profession where nurses work in diverse settings and are the frontline providers of healthcare services. The nursing profession blends the rich traditions of personal touch and care of the past with today's ever-changing healthcare practices. The evolution of modern nursing began in 19th century through the pioneering work of Florence Nightingale, who is fondly addressed as Lady with the Lamp. Her cardinal contributions, namely devotion and dedication to the profession, laid a firm foundation for nursing education and identity of the profession, commonly referred to as Nightingale's principles. The early 20th century witnessed the passing of Nursing Registration Acts, which provided nurses with the legal title as registered professional nurses. Also, hospitals continued to expand its bed strength, and staff nurses became essential members of the healthcare team to ensure safe and competent care to patients. The image of nursing took a heroic cast during the Second World War with the emergence of more numbers of undergraduate and postgraduate nursing program, formation of professional organizations, advancements in nursing research, and constitution of academic journals. Historically, the nursing profession had consistently demonstrated its ability to adapt to the changing and varied healthcare needs. The nursing profession, in addition to providing care, combines the art and science of nursing while attending to the physical, emotional, intellectual, socio-cultural, and spiritual needs of the patients. Nurses uphold the core values of the nursing profession, including human dignity, integrity, autonomy, altruism, and social justice. Nursing is not merely an assortment of specialized skills, but encompasses proficiency in performing a variety of tasks. Nursing profession remains an exceedingly popular and highly respected profession that attracts large numbers of new recruits to its ranks, serving the health needs of the nation. Nurse researchers today carry out cutting-edge studies that shed light on the ways and means of solving many healthcare problems and improving nursing care services. Nurses build a therapeutic and healing relationship with patients. Round-the-clock presence and observational skills of the nurses allow for early diagnosis and improved health outcomes. Innumerable lives have been saved by attentive nurses who detect early warning signs of impending medical crisis. Further, nurses are at the forefront of healthcare, facing changes in health practice, demands of public health, and implementation of health policies. All these were evident during the ongoing pandemic COVID-19. The contributions of nursing in terms of healthcare include health promotion through education of patients and public, administering medications, and provision of basic and advanced care for patients as indicated. Facing challenges in healthcare and managing life-threatening illness on a daily basis. Interpreting patient-related information and making crucial decisions in patient care. Conducting research to improve nursing practices and patient-related outcomes. Role of nurses in modern healthcare has expanded in the field such as informatics, telenursing, nursing care in space, disaster management, clinical nursing, entrepreneurial ventures, and oncology. Today, nurses work in a technologically sophisticated critical care units such as intensive care or cardiac care units. Their workplaces include emergency department, transplant unit, high dependency unit, operating rooms, recovery rooms, apart from the conventional outpatient department and also urban health centers and rural health centers. Nursing professionals need to expand their competencies in both technical and technological aspects to face the challenges of an ever-changing world. Now, I invite Professor Kripa Anjalin, the Nursing Superintendent of MGMCRI, to speak a few words about nursing care at our institution SBV.
Greetings to all. I feel privileged to provide a bird's eye view of nursing care services at SBV, the heart of a deemed to be university which provides comprehensive patient care at primary, secondary and tertiary care level. The nursing units of SBV deliver premium nursing care through qualified and experienced nurses who foster a patient-friendly environment with diligence and commitment in alignment with the vision of SBV. The nurses at SBV are empowered to practice professionally and deliver high quality care in various clinical settings and high skilled areas of the hospital as per the prescribed standards. We uphold the nurse patient ratio as recommended by the Indian Nursing Council. The unique and innovative nursing services of SBV includes palliative care, pain management, entonox or medical gas, lactation counseling, stoma care, telebarrier nursing for ICU, renal transplantation nurse and chemotherapy nurse. It is noteworthy that SBV offers Indian Diploma of Critical Care Nursing course training for nurses in critical care services. I am proud to say that the nursing personnel at SBV are certified providers of instructors for the basic course in critical care nursing, which is hosted annually for the nurses across the nation. The best practices exclusively in SBV to ensure quality care include availability of nursing procedure manual in every ward to ensure uniformity in performing procedure and patient safety. Every ward has a postgraduate level supervisor posted for supervision of patient care management and postgraduate nurse educator to take care of staff education. Policies, protocols and records are drawn to meet the needs of the accrediting bodies and quality assurance audit coordinated by nursing superintendent and the team have conferred credibility on the process of nursing care at SBV. Patient education at the required level and optimal time are ensured by the nurses, which is a key factor of patient care. The nurses at SBV try to be up to date with the recent advancements in nursing care and thus ensure global standards with compassion, competency and ethical practices. The quality assurance of nursing care is always the priority. The nursing department works with definite goals and objectives in benchmarking with the optimal standards of nursing practices. The nurses at SBV have also made an impression in providing nursing care along with the physician team during the COVID-19 pandemic. We have relentlessly catered to the needs of nearly 2,000 COVID patients that include a sizable number of those who had life-threatening complications. The nurses had also worked in these testing times in liaison with the government by providing outreach activities, screening at vantage points including highways and toll gates. The nursing personnel at SBV were duly recognized by the government as observed in the postings at Rajnivas, Government Hospital and regular COVID screening camps. Our hospital is first in the state to be accredited by NABH for Nursing Excellence Certification. This certification is provided exclusively for nursing care. SBV honors various categories of nursing staff every year for nursing excellence. Among others, the critical nurses have been trained for the Indian Diploma of Critical Care Nursing course. Thus, the nurses at SBV strive with commitment to maintain standards and quality of patient care in addition to exploring new possibilities to keep pace with the changing trends in healthcare. Thank you.
I heartily congratulate Dr. A. Suguna, Faculty of Community Medicine, MGM CRI, SBV, and Dr. A. Surekha, Faculty of Community Medicine, SSSMCRI, SBV, for having contributed a chapter in Handbook of Global Health published by the internationally renowned publisher Springer. Dr. Suguna and Dr. Surekha have authored the chapter Non-Governmental Organizations, NGOs in Global Health. which discusses in detail the types and the roles of NGOs in a globalizing world. I encourage other faculty to come up with such endeavors enriching the academia. I wish you the best of health. Do remember to continue practicing physical distancing, wearing mask and personal hygiene. Stay safe. God bless you. Jai Hind.